Okay, this is the great news. Thanks for 7 subscribers. I didn't saw that from my whole life. So thank you guys. So I need 10 subscribers so I can make a thanks for 10 subscribers intro. So thank you guys. Subscribe me 3 times. 3, 2, 1. That's it. So please subscribe for more videos. So if you guys give me 10 subscribers, I'm gonna do the Q&A. But first I need to check all of my comments. So bye, but there was enough comments here, so bye.